Hey people, after long I'm doing a video, so I just have to say this cute little bag. See this bag? It arrived from this it's there's this cute page on Instagram called the Jute House, and I took part in this some slogan writing contest or something. So they were cute enough to send me this bag along with a yellow color clutch and earrings, and it's like that's what this bag I've already begun using because it is so convenient. Yeah, I mean, see, it's got the zip, and there's a zip here also, and there's a zip inside also. It's so difficult to shoot a video like speaking and showing you the product, but truly people, I really have to say this, that when you use a product like, a jute product, at some level you feel you're doing something good for the planet, because truly with the kind of leather bags and leather shoes, and if only the world were to turn vegan, I feel half the planet's problems would be over, like in terms of climate change and the kind of meat consumption. So when you opt for something as cute as this is a jute product, so it's like inadvertently we are contributing for the greater good. So people, this is the Jute House, and y'all can check it out on Instagram. I'm going to post it here on in my YouTube with the name itself, because this Mumbai based Mumbai nahi, Pune or Nasik based company has my heart. Yeah, look at this, how cute is this? I'm like, I don't know, sometimes you have a love for a certain product. That's what I feel towards this cute bag. So it's Jute House it is, and you all can check out their page on Instagram. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.